In this session, we're going to look at ledger payments, and we're going to here look at the electronic transfer option. Now, here's two checks that I can now export from here to my bank. In other words, it creates a file for you, a text file. You can then go to your bank and do internet banking, and you can import this file. There's a couple of important options that you've got to make sure you use. First of all, you've got to go to Ledger Account Maintenance. I'm going to go to my bank account, and I've got to specify the detail down here. I've got to specify my account number, a branch number, a bank EFT number. I've got to specify the type of bank I'm going to be using, the bank seed, and a company code. Then you would also, if we're looking at creditors, need to ensure that you've entered your creditor's bank details here, and you've got to specify the payment method. Then if you go to creditors payment run and reconciliation, and I go and pay a specific creditor, let me just enter there we go, I just needed to enter a default narration, and I pay a specific creditor here. You will see that if we go back to the electronic ledger payment option, that I have added the function here. What I can now do is I can click on making sure my bank is selected correctly. I can click on prepare an export file, and it will then show you that it's going to create a text file in your IQ Enterprise folder under IQ Retail, under Pluto, and because my bank is Standard Bank, the file will be there. So then you can take that text file and import it into your bank. If we look at the rest of the options here, you've got visible fields, you can export, you can search, you can use your filter capability. You've got a few reports you can use. If you change your report options here, you can preview. If you can preview, you can change the design, and then I've already explained to prepare the export file function. And that concludes looking at the ledger payment electronic transfer option.